They're all together. This is low water.
What the hell?
So cool.
Yeah, I want some.
Oh, wait a second. Look at picture and put it.
Are they real? What are all these things?
I don't know what are those called anyway.
Cactuses? I don't know. They're so odd looking.
I know. I forget. Let's look at picture. They don't call it.
Can we walk through here? Look, it's just a little. Oh, probably not. This is so odd. Everybody's looking at animals. We're looking at cactuses. Are you Instagramming? Ah! We're gonna see little Lily. Little Lily. I'm so excited to see her. She's so cute. Little Lily. I named her that myself. Little Lily. That's what we're gonna call her. Okay? Look. Look. It smells like horses. Why?
Is that Lily, the new elephant?
No, can't be, right? I don't know. Asian elephants are little though, that's why. Like they're not African elephants.
No.
Are we in Africa? Where are we? There's an Asian elephant?
Oh no.
Because Asian ones are tiny. Okay. Oh my god, this is where I want to perform one day. What did you say? Keep walking. Why? Oh my god, look! Oh, never mind. Weird tree. It's so ugly. She's just chilling. But he... Hi.
Smile for the camera.
She's so cute.
And warm. You know?
She's huge.
They're very close out of there, you know, close. Out of that. What do you think that's made of?
Oh.
Those clothes.
She looks pissed over there.
I know she looks like
look at her.
Looks like more happy. She's walking around.
She looks like she's like interested in everybody. She's like, what the hell?
I know, and the one over there. What is snowing here?
Hi.
Oh, finally, see? No one came out. Oh, never mind.
Okay, mom, сюда. Вместе. Можно синий? Там все.
They're so pretty.
Do something. We're still like that, still like that.
I just realized he was occupied. Yeah.
Go. Don't be so weird. What's it? Oh, like here. Look at what thing is.
Oh. Look at it's our body heat. Well, you look at your body heat is more than mine. Oh, let me see on my. Oh my god, some people don't give off body heat. Vampire.
Oh, is this is your body heat?
Yeah.
This is
Look, feel
to
the
see
heat.
who's feel the heat. See? Yeah, I'm colder. See, look. I'm hot. I'm like hot.
Yeah, you're all heat.
Like on heat. What about you? Let me see you. You too.
A zebra hiding. Where is it? Oh.
That's why they're hiding.
A zebra.
That's what I want.
How do you say it? How do you say it in Spanish?
Zebra. That's what I want. Why?
I want one. I want to ride one. They're related to donkeys, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're more closely related to donkeys and horses. I don't know how I know that, but.
What are you doing? Oh no.
Hi. Hi.
They're so tiny, they're like little mouse.
You know this?
So,
Well, he probably
what's up
doesn't
with
realize that I didn't
the earth
pick
and
up
other
my
stuff?
phone, but he was.
With the what?
It's Catherine!
Oh my gosh.
They keep you here.
They fruit bats.
I didn't know that.
They eat fruit.
They look like a monkey to me.
These are fruit bats. That's why, because they see their noses. They're supposed to be like that for a reason.
Ew, did you eat?
They are so cute. These ones are cuter than the kind that are like in Miami, huh? Because those ones don't those have the freaky noses that don't look like cute like this? Because these ones look like little mice. They are like little monkeys. Look at that one over there.
Like a monkey,
Look at that one. He's hanging.
Yeah.
He's like, ah. Hurt people.
Go inside there. You'll see. Go inside here.
These ones don't hurt people. They're not vampire bats. Seals.
Why are they there? Come down here. I want to see you.
They're probably so warm.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. Is that water hot?
Huh?
Is that water hot? Because the water is hot.
Oh my god.
What is cold? What are you talking about?
Well, no, they have blubber that keeps them warm, see?
Oh.
So they don't even feel cold. It's like nothing.
I want that. You know what I mean?
What, blubber?
Yeah.
Careful what you wish for. This is where the ghost is from. What's up there? Ooh. Where are you? I'm scared. Oh my god, it's coming to me. Hi. Oh, it doesn't have red eyes. I swear they like show off here.
Yeah. Is he getting himself? It's
I
weird.
think he's taking a bath.
Yeah.